Hi Aggies and Buckeyes. This is going to be a tutorial that's going to show you how to access the Clever portal. And the Clever portal is going to be the place where you're going to be able to find lots of different applications for you to get extra practice. It'll also help you locate McGraw-Hill, which is the Wonders website. So first off, you're going to want to start on the Google homepage. So you're going to open any browser it can be. Preferably you want to go with Google Chrome, but if you don't have Google Chrome, that's okay. In the search bar, you'll just type google.com. And then you'll come over to the right-hand side of the screen and you'll click sign on. So let me move my camera over. And once you click sign on, if you've already been logged into a Google account on your computer, you can go ahead and just click that account. If you've never logged on to Google using this particular computer that you're on, you're going to click use another account. And that is where you will go ahead and you'll put in your school ID number with @MenifeeUSD. So let me give you a little example. So for example, mine is L Valadez. Yours is going to be something different that's unique to yourself. And then you'll put @MenifeeUSD.org. So if you've been to Harvest Hill last year, you'll have the same username as you've had in the past. If you're new, we'll have to get you that account. But remember, it's always going to be the @MenifeeUSD.org. That's what you need to use to sign into Clever. So then you're going to click Next. You'll put your password in. It remembers my password, and you can also click that as an option if you want it to remember yours. So you'll put your password in, and again, it's still the same password that you've been using if you're a returning student from Harvest Hill. You'll go ahead and click Next. So that is how you get into Google, and you'll know you're logged into Google because your little icon picture will pop up over here. Okay, so now let's get into how to actually get to Clever. So from here, you're going to want to go to the MenifeeUSD.org page. And then once you get to the Menifee USD homepage, you're going to want to come and click over, it says staff. Now don't worry if it says staff, you're right, that's where you want to be. And you'll just come down and you'll click Clever Portal. And once you click Clever Portal, it will automatically log you in because you went through those steps previously to sign into Google. So on Clever is where you are going to find lots of different applications to get some extra practice, or maybe something that I've assigned also. So you have Dreambox, iReady, you have Zearn, and you can scroll down. The Clever homepage is also really great because I was able to add the Go Noodle application, so you'll be able to do your PE. And you can just scroll down and see various websites that are on there too. So that is how you get to Clever. Okay, so just make sure when you are trying to log into Clever, you are using your @MenifeeUSD.org username. Okay? All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Take care.